Welcome to the gallery organ. Not as big as the main organ, but still a nice instrument. As you can see, just as dusty. With debris on the reeds and the loose scrolls. Water damage. Plastering needs to be redone. This hole suggested by John needs to be closed. Put a trap door or something. There's too much cold air coming down here, so this never warms up properly, so that affects tuning. The harp, originally installed in the other church. The mechanisms are just fine, but there's not enough wind pressure in this organ. So it's basically inoperative with not enough wind pressure. Nothing we can do to it except raise the pressure. Right now the organ is off. You can't see the leathering and the bellows, but the same issue, there is some leakage up here, but not as bad. That's the intake for the blower motor. I don't know if you can see it very well, but plaster dust on the floor. Plaster dust on the ridges. Go through this door. Here's the blower. With the intake from into the blower room is down there. This goes into the upper room. Just a nice empty chamber. That never had a pipe organ in it. Close that. Up this ladder to this hatch. We'll see you on the other side.